What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the G35. So like always, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe right down below the video, and like always, put that thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. And if you haven't already, then go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future content that I put on the channel. But like always, if you do those three things, I'd greatly appreciate it, and you'll be part of the G35 fam. So that being said, let's get this video started. So as you can see, I got a package in the mail, and it's gonna be for the G35. Now if you saw the thumbnail, then you already know what it is. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera, but pretty much the proper term is adhesive weather deflector. Now they have two different types. They have adhesive, and that pretty much goes on the outside of the trim, and then they have the in channel weather deflector, and those go inside right here, inside the window. But like I said, the ones that I got, it's gonna go on the outside, but I just call them weather guards. But pretty much the purpose is, to block the wind. And if it's raining, you can have the window down, and still have a little bit of protection. But yeah, I just call them weather guards, but like I said, the proper term is weather deflector or deflector, whatever you want to call it, yada yada. I just want to open this up because the one that I got, they're JDM style. So I had the option of getting like the weather tech, but I'm trying to make this car look a little JDM style. So I got these off of a Nissan Racing Shop. Their price was cheaper than a lot of other websites. And of course, they're brand new. So, I don't want anything used. But been talking too much. So let's open up this package, and then we're going to install them and see what we got to do. So I got my knife right here, and we're going to open it up. I like going to this website. They have good deals on certain parts, so I recommend getting some parts for them or looking them up. But now I got more stickers for my collection, and yeah. Okay, so you're supposed to have two for the front and two for the back. So there you go. And then I know how to read this, so pretty much what it says is you're gonna want to I'm just playing. I don't know what that says. I guess this is legit JDM because it's in Japanese, so I'm gonna have to learn Japanese how to install this. So it pretty much looks like, for the one that's the in channel, because that looks like a clip, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what it is. Okay, so I pretty much figured it all out. I read the Japanese instructions, and I figured how everything works. So no, I'm just playing, but I mean, it's pretty simple. So like I said, these are going to be for the driver's side, and these are going to be for the passenger side. It comes with these clips, so these are going to go in the window channel, and then these are gonna cover the the back part, so that way that little X isn't showing. So pretty much that's gonna be like that. So yeah, the first thing I did is I wrote down all the windows. Well, I'm gonna do the passenger side first, so I wrote down the windows, and then I pretty much cleaned with the alcohol swab all of the trim that I'm gonna put the tape on. And yeah, I tested this one out right here. I put this on, so I'm gonna do that on this side too, and I'll do it on the front part too. So I'm gonna do that to all of them, and then we're gonna see what happens after that. So let me install these, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, just to show you how it looks. So as you can see, I got the clip, and then this is just like a cover, and it's just gonna fit right over it like this. You snap it on. Just like that. Just like that. And then as you can see, it's gonna grab onto the so right there, it'll grab onto the window channel, and then you know, it'll be able to set in there. But they also included this tape, that way you can secure it to the trim. So I'm gonna do all the rest, and then after that we'll go to the next step. I have the tape peeled off, and then I'm just gonna put the clips in there. I want to make sure we line it up. Just like that, and then you got your tape. And then right here, you just want to make sure it's lined up. Just like that. Then you push down, and then pull the tape back. And then we're going to push down on it. And then right here, I tried to peel off this tape, but it's kind of difficult. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Just like that. So then when I roll up the window, it should just close. Just like that. So I'm gonna do the next one, and we're gonna see how it comes out. But as you can see right here, I have it just where the center of the pillar is. So let me do the other one. I already got this. I'm just letting it dry, but I'm gonna get the front part, and then we're gonna do the same steps. Okay, so this one, same thing. This one's a little bit different. It has a little clip at the end, but that's just to go into the window channel. But I'm going to do the same thing, peel it back just enough where I can tape it. And then this one, do the same thing. Just like that. You know, fold it over like that. So that way you can be able to pull it. Okay, and then this one, I'll probably just pull this off already. But this one's a little more difficult. Okay, then you just pull this back. Close it. Just like that. They're all blue and everything. Let me roll it up. Alright, so you can see you want to put that clip inside the weather strip, that way it catches on, you know, pretty good right now. So I'm gonna do these two, and then we're gonna see what it looks like from the outside. So, all right. I just had it on there just to show you. So I'm gonna take it off. All right. And then of course, peel back your tape just enough where you can see if you can get it. There you go. And then on this one I'll have it, I'm just going to tear it all the way off. Okay. Alright. So, and of course you want to make sure it lines up. Put it back. Okay, right there. Edit the edge. Push down. There you go. Just like that. There you go. Alright, now I'm going to do the front, and then we'll see how everything looks with the windows up. So, yeah. Okay, you want to make sure it's straight. And then you're going to pull back. Push down, push pressure. Pressure. Okay, and close it up, and there you go. So I'm gonna roll up the windows and we're gonna see how it comes out. Alrighty guys, so what do y'all think? Let me know in the comments down below. This is the driver's side. Passenger side, and then the front view. Probably can't really see that much, but and then let's see what it looks like from the inside. That way, if you are curious about getting these, you can see what they look like from the inner part. So not that bad. Like I said, the most difficult part of this install was putting on these, you know, those little covers for the, to, you know, hide the little X that the little mounting bracket is. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty simple. But yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think. And then, let's see what they look like with the windows down. A little trick if you didn't know about this. Okay. There you go. And the passenger side. So that pretty much concludes this video, guys. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, if you're watching this video, you probably are wondering what it looks like on a G35 sedan. So yeah, this is how it comes out. I really like it a lot. So yeah, like always, if you enjoyed the content, feel free to put that thumbs up. And it's your boy G Money. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.